Welcome back to the Expensive Cars. Today, we're diving deep into an icon, the 2025 Ford Mustang GT Fastback. This beast carries the legacy of the Mustang while pushing performance and technology into the future. Buckle up, because this one is going to be a wild ride. The 2025 Mustang GT Fastback is a modern muscle car masterpiece. Its sharp, chiseled lines and redesigned LED headlights give it a bold, futuristic look while staying true to its heritage. The front grille is more aggressive, and the hood features functional air vents for better cooling. And let's not forget those sleek taillights. Mustang DNA at its finest. Now, let's talk about power. Under the hood, the 2025 Mustang GT Fastback is packing a 5.0L Coyote V8 that now pushes out an insane 500 horsepower and 418 lb-ft of torque. Whether you choose the 6-speed manual for that raw muscle car experience or the 10-speed automatic for seamless shifts, this Mustang is built to thrill. And the sound? It's music to any car enthusiast's ears. The quad exhaust system features active valve technology, letting you switch between a civilized cruise and a full-blown roar. Step inside, and you'll find a cockpit designed for both performance and luxury. The 12.4-inch digital instrument cluster blends seamlessly with the 13.2-inch Sync 4 touchscreen, giving you access to navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even a track mode display. Plus, Ford's new Recaro Performance seats keep you locked in during those high-speed cornering moments. But the Mustang GT Fastback isn't just about straight-line speed. With an improved MagneRide suspension and selectable drive modes, normal, sport, track, and even a drift mode, this pony car handles like never before. Whether you're at the drag strip or carving canyon roads, it delivers an unforgettable ride. With a starting price of around $45,000, the 2025 Mustang GT Fastback delivers legendary performance at a price that's hard to beat. It's a muscle car that refuses to go out of style, embracing both raw power and modern innovation. So, what do you think about the 2025 Mustang GT Fastback? Is this the ultimate muscle car? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more high-performance car content, only on the Expensive Cars. Until next time, keep the engines roaring